Packing a punch and a half, the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition has been the talk of town, especially for being compared to the GoPro. But today we're here to see how this super portable camera is suitable for your next adventure and whether it is worth the investment. We took the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition on our adventures within the city. Our first experiment was to establish the easeability of carrying a device. To use the camera on a bike, you'd have to additionally purchase the bike mount and helmet gear, as this is not provided in the box. The best feature of the cam is flow state. It is a stabilizing mode that Insta360 developed to eradicate shaky footages. Run, play, go on an impromptu bike adventure. The camera knows how to capture without jerks. At 135 grams, it is lightweight and has a sturdy build quality. By default, the core and the camera lenses face the opposite sides, but one can make them face the same direction to have a selfie-like shoot. One just needs to rotate the camera lens and plug it to the core and the battery output. The red-colored battery output has points and hinges that fit smoothly when the camera is set up. The preview screen is touch-enabled that allows you to change camera settings, but at 1.25 inches, the screen is disappointing and uncomfortable, especially if you're someone with large hands or thick fingers. This probably is a good enough reason why the Insta360 app is going to be your knight in shining armor. The choices provided here are rich and varied: editing, video tutorials, how-tos. Insta360's application provides AI-edited shots, videos and pictures, making it hassle-free for the user to edit on the go. You can also edit them manually. But here too, things get overwhelming as the app tries to inundate the user with so many options, it's easy to get lost here. So why should one go for an Insta360 One RS? Well, the answer is thinly stretched, and we are going to bounce from the main USP to the smaller nitty-gritties. First up, it is an action camera geared for your spontaneous adventures. It gives you the flexibility without any compromises on quality, which explains why they made it waterproof. You can dive up to 16 feet without giving a second thought. Switch between shooting 360-degree shots and wide angle. The best is given here with 4K lens at 60 fps and 48 megapixels, or go full widescreen with the 6K mode. Use the invisible selfie stick to up your vlogging game and keep viewers enticed how you even got that crazy shot. The 360 horizon leveling is a pro at leveling your shots without any jerks. The mounting bracket also has the windproof mic cover, which helps unwanted wind noises from getting recorded. We can go on and on, but the features we highlighted here are just getting started. Priced at approximately 49,990 rupees, the device is immaculate, and for a camera aficionado, this device is heaven. But if you're a newcomer in the vlogging space, this might be a tad overwhelming for you to handle.